Hi, good morning. Welcome to English with Teacher Coffee. Did you know 87% of learners understand everything perfectly? Yet the second they try to speak, their heart races and everything freezes? If that is you right now, raise your hand high, because today, everything changes. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to guide you, step by step, through 50 real daily sentences, spoken clearly, and with all my belief in you. By the end, your English will flow naturally, and you will feel unstoppable. Are you ready to become the confident speaker you were born to be? Take a deep breath. Let's do this together. Today, we have 5 sections. We are learning 50 daily sentences for morning, breakfast, work, polite phrases, and evening motivation. Warm up. First, repeat after me with a big, proud smile. Good morning, Teacher Coffee. Yes, that voice is powerful. One more time, even stronger. Good morning. Amazing! You've already started winning today. Let's keep that energy for the 50 sentences. Section 1, Morning Routine. 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock. 2. I get out of bed slowly. 3. I open the curtains. 4. I make myself a cup of coffee. 5. I check my phone. 5. I check my phone. 6. I drink a cup of coffee every morning. 7. I brush my teeth and take a shower. 8. I stretch my body. 9. I get dressed for work. 10. I say have a nice day to my family. Section 2, Breakfast and Food. 11. What did you have for breakfast today? 12. I usually eat toast and eggs. 13. This coffee tastes amazing. 14. Would you like some milk or sugar? 15. I am still a little hungry. 16. I start working at 9. 17. I learn something new every day. Section 3, Work and Daily Life. 18. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. 19. I take a short break. Pause. 20. Can you help me with this, please? 21. That sounds like a great idea. 22. I like your idea. 23. That sounds good. 24. I am a little tired today. 25. How are you today? 26. I am doing great, thank you. 27. Really? Me too. Pause 5 seconds. Section 4. Polite and useful phrases. Section 4. Polite and useful phrases. 28. Can you say that again? 29. Could you speak more slowly, please? 30. Can you repeat that, please? 31. Excuse me? One more time. 32. Thank you so much for your help. 33. You are welcome. 34. I feel happy when I speak English. 35. This lesson is very useful. Section 5. Evening and motivation. 36. What are you doing tonight? 37. I cook dinner at home. 38. 39. I relax on the sofa. 40. I watch a movie. 41. I listen to music. 42. I usually go to bed at 11. 43. Tomorrow is Friday. Yay! 44. Have a good night. 45. I think English is fun. 46. I can do this. 47. Practice makes perfect. 48. My English is getting better every day. 49. I speak English every day. 50. See you later. Take care. Thank you for being at English with Teacher Coffee. Our lessons cover different levels. Join us and learn to stay positive in learning English. You will build strong speaking and listening skills. and learn new vocabulary at your own pace. Each lesson is made to be relaxed and easy to remember. If you want to improve your English in a comfortable way, save our channel. Hit subscribe and the bell right now. See you tomorrow with more coffee and more English.